If you want to lower or increase the volume of a particular frequency range, then you can use Spectral Edit Parametric EQ effect inside of Audacity. So to do that, I'm going to go around into File, and then I'm going to import out an audio, and I'm going to import out bovi.mp3 right here. So in order to see how this actually looks in Spectral View, I'm going to go around onto Spectrogram, and then if I were to press the play button, this is how it sounds right now. So in order to apply the effect, I can select out the portion right here with my mouse right here. And if I want to decrease out the volume of this particular area that is on this particular range of hertz, then I can go around into effect and I can go to Spectral Edit Parametric EQ right here. I can select the range of dB that I want to decrease. So let's just go around into -5 right here. -5 degree, and press OK. And what happens is that that area is a bit darker. That is because the volume has been decreased for that particular spectral range. So if I were to press play, you can hear out that it is a bit softer. Similarly, I can go around right here. Let me just go around and repeat out the effect right here. You can go around and to repeat it, press Ctrl R a bunch of times, and then it is totally gone, as you can see. So this is how it sounds like now. Similarly, if you want to increase out the volume, then you can go around right here, select it, and then you can go around into Spectral Edit Parametric EQ, and then you can increase out the volume as well. So I'm going to increase out the volume by 6 decibels, press OK, and then it increases out, as you can see. So I'm going to press Ctrl R multiple times, and then this is what happens. It really increases out the volume, as you can see right here. So it has really increased out the volume range of the selected frequencies, as you can see. So that is how you can work around with Spectral Edit Parametric EQ inside of Audacity. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.